this video, I will show you how to apply for Sam's Club credit card or Sam's Club Mastercard. So to do that, simply open up your Sam's Club app or go to Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Sam's Club, then click on the URL. Here in the top left corner, you will see this 3 lines menu bar. Click on it. Here you can find Sam's Club Credit. Click on it. Here you will find Sam's Club different type of cards. Here you will find 2 options, Sam's Club Plus membership card or Sam's Club Mastercard. Simply click on apply now. And from here you can enter your membership number, your first name, last name. After you're signed in, it will ask you for your full legal name, your date of birth, your social security number, your annual income, your estimated housing expense, etc. And after you provide all of those details, you can simply click on apply. And they will take some time to verify your profile. After that, your Sam's card or your Mastercard will be applied. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our account, and thank you for watching.